Here's a spread that you cannot miss. It's a perfect accompaniment with bagels, toast and crackers. So let's see the recipe for herbed and garlic cream cheese. I'm going to make this recipe from scratch. So I'm going to make homemade cream cheese. For that I'm going to boil 1 liter of full fat milk. The milk is coming to a boil. Give it a stir. Let the milk cool down for at least about 2 to 3 minutes. I've taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar here. Now into this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. You need not add the entire quantity of vinegar and water. Just add a little at a time. Give it a stir and make sure do not stir vigorously. The milk is curdled beautifully and there are nice and big lumps of the cream cheese. Let's strain it through a muslin cloth. Just rinse the curdled cheese with water to get rid of any excess acidity from the vinegar, and also it cools it down. Let's bring everything together and squeeze all the water out. Let the cream cheese cool down slightly, and now time to make the garlic and herbed cream cheese. So let's remove this ball and place it in the blender. For some extra cheesy flavor, you can add any cheese of your choice. So I'm adding processed cheese, a tablespoon of garlic, add in a little bit of salt. Here we have a perfect smooth spread. Let's remove it in a bowl. To flavor this spread, I'm going to add a few herbs. You can use at least a good 3 to 4 different kinds of herbs like basil, parsley, chives, rosemary, oregano, whatever is easily available for you. So first I'm going to add in some basil leaves. Do not chop the basil leaves. Just tear it into small bits with your hands. Some finely chopped dill, some finely chopped parsley, 8 to 10 pickled jalapenos finely chopped, a pinch of pepper powder, and now give this a good mix. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil and garnish with some more fresh herbs. This cream cheese dip can be stored for around 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator, can be enjoyed over toasted bagels, bread buns, crackers, lavash, any kind of biscuits or anything which are salted of course. You can enjoy it with that. So do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out in your next party and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.